Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign up on Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up on Agoda, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first, and after opening Agoda, you'll get so many options to begin with. In order to sign up, you just simply have to tap into this create account button, and after tapping into there, it will ask for your first name, last name, email address. At first, you just simply have to enter every detail it asks at the first step. And now you just simply have to set up a password for your account, and after entering the password, repeat the same password at this last box. And after creating a password for your account, just simply tap into this sign up button at the bottom. Let me do this process real quick. And now your account in Agoda will successfully be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.